Good morning, class 12th. I hope you're safe and secure. Now, today we will start the adjustment of capital. Now, before I give you the concept of adjustment capital, you have to note down this question and be remember that adjustment capital is of two types. When the new partner capital is given and when the new partner capital is not given. So, today we will discuss when the new partner capital is given. Okay, so we have to do the adjustment on the basis of new partner capital. So this is called when the new partner capital is given. And the second method is when the new partner capital is not given, then we do the adjustment on the basis of old partner's capital. So here, just note down the question and then I give you the brief introduction and the concept of adjustment of capital. Okay, so note down this question. They say that there are two partners A and B in a partners in a firm sharing 3:1. The profit share ratio is 3:1. This is 3:1. The profit share ratio is 3:1. I hope you can be able to say it. A and B are partners in a firm. They are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. They admitted C as a partner for 1/4 year. So C is coming for 1/4 year and C was to bring 60,000 as his capital. So they say C has to bring 60,000 as his capital, but no information about the goodwill is given. So when the no information about the goodwill is given, please note down. When the no information about the goodwill is given, it means he is not bringing goodwill in cash. तो इस केस में प्रीमियम नहीं है. He is not bringing goodwill in cash. So we need to find the goodwill and he has to pay his goodwill through current account. हमने पहले पढ़ा है इस केस में C जिसमें मेंशन नहीं होता कि C अपनी goodwill कितनी लाया है, इस केस में प्रीमियम नहीं होता. Means C cannot bring his goodwill in cash. He is unable to bring his goodwill in cash. Okay. So in that case, he need to bring the goodwill from his current account. And the balance sheet is given the question. Liability side, they say capital accounts A 50, B 80. It makes the total capital 1,30,000. General reserve is given the question 10,000. Creditors is mentioned 70,000. Land and building 40,000. Plant and machinery 70,000. Stock 30,000. Debtors is given 35,000. Less provision for doubtful debt or bad debts is given 1,000. It makes debtor 34,000. Investment is given 26,000. Cash is given 10,000. So this is how the balance sheet is given. There are certain adjustments are there. Note down the question. Then we do the adjustment part. I hope you understand this question. This is the adjustment capital. I give you the concept of adjustment capital. You note down the question first. Okay, let's move on to adjustments. So here the adjustments are there. Note down this adjustment. First is goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 24,000. The new firm goodwill is valued at rupees 24,000. Next is land and building were valued at rupees 65,000. Plant and machinery at rupees 60,000. It means that land and building were valued at rupees 65,000 and the value of plant and machinery is 60,000. Provision for doubtful debt found in excess by rupees 400. जो हमारे provision for doubtful debt है वो हमने 400 ज़्यादा बना लिए. हमने मतलब ज़्यादा उम्मीद लगा ली कि पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे. There's a benefit for the firm. A liability of rupees 1200 included in sundry creditors not likely to rise. अब हमें पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And the important point, E is the important point. The capital of the partner will be adjusted on the basis of C contribution of the capital to the firm. Means the new firm capital will be adjusted on the basis of C's capital. So here means we need to adjust the capital on the basis of C capital on the new partner capital. And any accident shortfall, this is an important point. Note down this one. This is a key point. हम इनको करेंगे. These 2 points are the new points. Excess and shortfall, if any, will be transferred to current account. जो भी excess and shortfall होगा पुरानी कैपिटल और नई कैपिटल में वो करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू होगा. You need to prepare revaluation account, capital accounts and balance sheet of the new firm. This is question number 88 from T.S. Grewal and here I am giving the concept of adjustment of capital. Now study the concept of adjustment is the main important part. I hope you noted on the question. Point number E and point number F plays an important role because these are the new points, new for you. The capital of the partner will be adjusted on the basis of C contribution of the capital or C's capital of the firm. An excess shortfall, if any, will be transferred to current account. जो भी excess shortfall है वो करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू होगा. जनरली इट कैन थ्रू कैश अकाउंट ऑल्सो, बट हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट से दैट इट कैन बी थ्रू करंट अकाउंट. यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट ऑफ द न्यू फर्म. आपको रिवैल्यूएशन बनाना है, कैपिटल बनाना है एंड बैलेंस शीट ऑफ द न्यू फर्म. नाउ हाउ वी मेक इट? नाउ take out your copies in which write the concept. Write the concept. The concept is adjustment of capital. It's adjustment of capital. हम जो capital adjustment कर रहे हैं, this is a part adjustment of capital. We say the adjustment capital will be divided in two parts. Generally दो parts में होता है, when the new partner capital is given or when the new partner capital is not given. The two things आपको ध्यान रखना है क्वेश्चन में, नई पार्टनर कैपिटल गिवन है या नई पार्टनर कैपिटल गिवन नहीं है. फर्स्ट थिंग इज क्लियर. सेकंड थिंग यू नीड टू फाइंड व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज गिवन. आई एम सेइंग व्हेन न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज गिवन. द फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट इज व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज गिवन. तो इस टर्म को जो बोलते हैं हम बोलते हैं एडजस्टमेंट थ्रू न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल. दिस वी गेट एडजस्टमेंट या adjustment of capital on the basis of new partner, on the basis of new partner. हम जो कैपिटल एडजस्ट करेंगे वो किस बेस पे करेंगे? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल. तो ये सेकंड मेथड, एडजस्टमेंट थ्रू न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल. कैसे करते हैं ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूं अभी. नाउ हियर नोट ऑन द स्टेप. We need to find the total capital. So step 1, note down the step 1, we are studying the first one, when the new partner capital is given. The second one is when the new partner capital is not given. So we need to adjust. When the new partner capital is not given, we need to adjust the capital. हम जो capital adjustment करते हैं वो करेंगे on the basis of old partner capital. वो हम second part में पढ़ेंगे. The first one is when the new partner capital is given or adjustment of capital on the basis of new partner capital. Now note on the step how we do it. First, we need to find the total capital of the firm. How can you find total capital of the firm? हमें total capital निकालनी है firm की. वो हम कैसे निकालते हैं? We can find through we say new partner capital. जो नई partner capital है, new partner capital multiply by reciprocal of a share. Reciprocal of new partner share of his share. मीन जो भी नया पार्टनर का जो रेशियो दे रखा है, सपोज रेशियो इज 1/4, तो हम उसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. रेसिप्रोकल मींस 4/1, अपोजिट कर देंगे, उल्टा कर देंगे. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज वी फाइंड द टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द फर्म. तो दिस इज स्टेप 1. हाउ कैन यू फाइंड टोटल कैपिटल? द टोटल कैपिटल कैन बी फाइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ new partner capital. We find with the help of new partner capital multiply by reciprocal of his share. Next thing is step 2. Divide the total capital. Divide the total capital in new ratio. And if the new ratio not given, उसका ही method है. But generally we divide, is better to find the new ratio. Divide the new capital, divide the total capital in new ratio. जो भी कैपिटल है इसको न्यू रेशियो में डिवाइड कर दिया है. स्टेप 3 is any balances debit or credit, that is surplus or deficiency. Any balances जो भी differences आएगा, ये मैं क्वेश्चन में करके दिखाऊंगा आपको कैसे आएगा. Any balances we say surplus or deficit या surplus आएगा या deficit आएगा. surplus or deficit or that is debit or credit, that is debit or credit balance. Debit or credit balance is transferred to either cash account or either current account. Either cash account or either current account. These are two things. Note down this one. I am making a star over here. These are two things. अगर कुछ नहीं बोला है तो वी कैन ट्रांसफर टू कैश अकाउंट. अगर कुछ नहीं बोला है कि मीन्स बैलेंसेस को कैसे एडजस्ट करना है, इट मीन थ्रू कैश अकाउंट वी कैन एडजस्ट. बट करंट अकाउंट में स्पेसिफिकली बोला होगा, जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 88 जो मैंने आपको अभी लिखा है उसमें बोला गया है द बैलेंस नीड टू बी ट्रांसफर थ्रू करंट अकाउंट. जो बैलेंसेस हैं वो करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू ट्रांसफर होंगे. नाउ कैसे वो हम करेंगे? नोट डाउन दीस स्टेप्स. These steps are important to find when the new partner capital is given. And one more mark, just mark over here if the question is silent. यहाँ mark कर दिए because I don't have space over here. तो mark it here if the question is silent. If the question is silent, how we adjust the balance? If the question is silent, how we adjust the balance? Silent. How we adjust the balance? We can adjust through cash account. हम किसके थ्रू करते हैं? कैश अकाउंट के थ्रू. तो वी प्रैक्टिस लॉट मेनी क्वेश्चंस. द फर्स्ट मेथड वी आर डूइंग इट टुडे. दैट मेथड इज व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल इज गिवन और वी कैन एडजस्ट द कैपिटल और एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. यू नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. दीस आर स्टेप्स. नोट डाउन दिस वन. स्टेप 1, हाउ कैन यू फाइंड टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ फर्म? दिस न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल मल्टीप्लाई बाय रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ हिज शेयर. Step 2, divide the total capital in new ratio. Step 3, any balances, surplus or deficit, or we say debit and credit balance, is transferred to either through cash account, either through current account, and mark a star over there. If the question is silent, if nothing is mentioned, how can we transfer the balance? We can transfer through cash account. Current account में specifically बोला होगा हमें कि how we transfer to, mean we need to transfer balances through current account, जैसे हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 88 में बोला है. Now we do the question now. तो क्वेश्चन 88 आपके पास है. Okay. Now we do the working note first, so that it can become easier for us. The first working note is find the sacrificing ratio, and then next is calculate the goodwill. It's advisable to everyone always make the working note. मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि हमेशा पहले वर्किंग नोट को हम बनाते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट इज प्रिपेयर रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, बैलेंस शीट. इनके फॉर्मेट्स बना के रख दीजिए. ओके, आई डोंट हैव अ स्पेस ओवर हियर, अदरवाइज आई मेक हाफ पेज, आई मेक रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, इन हाफ पेज आई मेक पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, and a full page I make the balance sheet, so that it become easier for us to put the things all together. Now, but we have a shortage of space over here to understand term. The first thing is you need to find out the working note. हमें पहले working note बनाना है. So how we prepare working note? The first thing is prepare working note. तो हम working note कैसे बनाएंगे? Note down this one. First thing is we need to calculate sacrificing ratio. Now how can you find sacrifice ratio? Old ratio is given the question, new ratio is not given the question. Okay, so I told you it's a simple method. Whatever the old ratio is equal to sacrifice ratio, so their sacrifice ratio is 3:1. Or in the meantime, I can find the new ratio also. How can you find the new ratio? मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. I hope you remember how can you find new ratio. Let the total share is 1. Okay, C share is 1/4. It means new share of A and B. New share of A and B is 1 minus 1/4, which is equal to 3/4. Now, what is the A ratio? A new ratio in 3/4 and B new ratio in 3/4. How can you find? A old ratio is 3/4 and the new ratio is coming 3/4. After deducting his share, multiplied by 3/4 is coming 9/16. Multiplied 1/4 is coming 3/16. And C share हमें given है. C share is 1/4. It makes denominator equal. It coming 4/16. The new ratio is 9:3:4. I hope this is clear. ये कंपल्सरी नहीं है हमें न्यू रेशियो निकालना, हम डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं. आई टीच यू व्हेन वी वेल वर्स इन दैट. हम डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन को. आई गिव यू एग्जांपल. मैं जब क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा तो आपको हिंट दूंगा इसमें. But first understand the concept. How can you find new ratio? I hope you all know that. How can you find new ratio? The new ratio is coming 9:3:4. I hope this part is clear to all of you. Okay. Next thing is calculation of goodwill. How can you find goodwill? Should I rub this so that we can find the goodwill? Okay. Next part is how can we do the goodwill part? It's advisable to make working note first because it becomes easier for us. Now goodwill. The goodwill of the firm is given the question. The goodwill of the whole firm sorry, is 24,000. If you see point number 1, goodwill of the firm is 24,000. The new partner share is, the share of C is 1/4. So means C needs to be 1/4 of 24,000. It means 6,000. लेकिन ये 6,000 कैश में नहीं आया है. It's not a premium. ये प्रीमियम नहीं है. It's not a premium. ये प्रीमियम नहीं है. तो we need to pass through current account. हमें किसके थ्रू निकालना पड़ेगा? करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू. बिकॉज सी अपनी गुडविल को कैश में नहीं लाया तो वी कैन नॉट कॉल प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल. हम नहीं बोल सकते. तो व्हाट विल द एंट्री विल पास? देन नो एंट्री नहीं पूछा गया बट यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट फर्स्ट एंट्री इज बैंक और कैश अकाउंट डेबिट to C's capital account. So C is bringing the capital how much? If you see in the ocean is bringing 60,000 as its capital. क्वेश्चन में दिया है C अपने साथ 60,000 कैपिटल ला रहा है. And next is C's current account debit. C को अपनी गुडविल लानी पड़ेगी, फर्म को देनी पड़ेगी through his current account. तो राइट C's current account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account and their sacrificing ratio. और इनका sacrificing ratio कितना है? C brings 6,000 as a share of goodwill. ये हमने निकाला है 6,000 as share of goodwill. This 6,000 will be divided between A and B in their sacrificing ratio, which is 3:1. That's coming 4,500 and 1,500 for A and B in their sacrificing ratio. Now these are working note. So we find out 6,000 is the goodwill and that to be distributed between A and B in their sacrificing ratio. इस केस में old ratio is sacrifice है और हमने new निकाल रखा है. You subtract old minus new, we get the sacrificing ratio. I hope this part is clear. You all understood how we find. This is a working note. We calculate goodwill, we calculate new profit sharing ratio. The first step is clear. Okay, the next step is we need to prepare revaluation account. I hope, should I rub this? Okay. We need to prepare revaluation account first. Now revaluation account. Now see a transaction one by one and then we prepare revaluation account. The first is here revaluation account. You all know debit side, credit side, we write particular over here. Amount in rupees. Then write particulars. Amount in rupees. Now check the first part. They say that land and building were valued at 65,000. Okay, land and building की value कितनी हो गई है? 65,000. The old value of land and building 40,000. It means land and building बढ़ रहा है हमारा. तो we write by land and building. The land and building is increased by the old value of land and building is given in the balance sheet 40,000. नई value land and building की होगी है 65,000. It means land and building is increased by 25,000 rupees. तो हमारे फायदा because land and building value is increasing. This is a benefit for the firm. How much we are getting? 25,000. Next part is, if you see in the question, they say that plant and machinery at rupees 60,000. The old value of plant and machinery is 70. तो हमारी plant and machinery कम हो गई है. तो we write to plant and machinery. Okay, might be understand this plant and machinery. Okay, next thing is provision of doubtful debt was found in excess by. हमारे प्रोविजन जो थे हमने 400 ज़्यादा बना दिए थे. ओके हमने गलती कर दी तो हमारे फायदा है क्योंकि हमने 400 रुपये प्रोविजन ज़्यादा हमें एक्सेस हो गए तो वो हमें वापस होंगे. तो बाय प्रोविजन जो प्रोविजन थे हमने ज़्यादा बनाए थे 400 रुपीज़ वो हमें वापस होंगे. This 400 rupees benefit for us. Next part is our liability of 200 including sundry creditors who are not likely to rise. हमें 1200 रुपए creditors को पे नहीं करना है. तो we write by sundry creditors simply because sundry creditors is decreased by 1200 rupees. हमारे फायदा हो गया. Sundry creditors हमारे 1200 कम हो रहे हैं. And there no other information is given. To find the profit. Okay, check it out. What's the profit? It's 26,600. 26,600. This one is 26,600. It means the profit is there of 16,600. That to be divided between A and B. To be write to A's capital account to B's capital account. How much A should get? Their old ratio is 3:1. So it's coming to 12,450 for A, 12450, and B is coming 4150. That's how we prepare revaluation account. I hope this is clear. How we prepare revaluation account. Okay. Next thing is we need to prepare partners capital account. We have a less space over here. यहाँ पर नहीं बना सकते because we have to do working note on that part also. जो मैंने आपको सिखाया था पहले. So we prepare partners capital account. Should I write up the board? Have you noted down? Okay, have you noted down how we get 16,600 as a profit? Perfect. Then we make partners capital account. I told you this is question number 88 from TS Gawal, which we are doing it. Adjustment capital when the new partner capital is given. So we are doing the adjustment when the new partner capital is given. The first thing is here we prepare partners capital account. So first thing is prepare the format. आप अपनी कॉपी में फॉर्मेट बनाइए. Prepare a partners capital account. I use the full board now. We write particulars, not so much. We write particulars. This one is for A, B, and C. This one we write particulars. We write A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Here we write particulars. Particulars. Debit side. This one is credit side. Okay, now do the transaction one by one. First thing, what is the opening balance given the question? Opening balances. To write by balance brought down. The capital of A and B is given 50,000, 80,000 respectively. If we check in the question is given opening balance of A is 50,000, B is 80,000. I hope this part is clear. The capital of A and B is given the question 50,000 and 80,000 respectively. We write here by. He is bringing cash, or we write bank by cash account. C's capital. C's need to bring 60,000 as a share of capital. Okay. I hope this part is clear. Now we also have to write by C current account. C को जो goodwill pay करनी है, he need to pay through his current account. तो C current account, C जो goodwill pay करेगा, current account के through pay करेगा. हमने निकाल था goodwill. A is to get 4,500, B is to get 1,500. The total goodwill is 6,000, which C needs to bring. Then we need to write. Okay, by general reserve is given the question. So divide general reserve among general reserve. Divide general reserve in their old ratio. The general reserve is given. Okay, check your general reserve. How much? 10,000 is the general reserve, which given the question. Now divide 10,000. The old ratio is coming 7,500 and 2,500 for A and B. I hope this part is clear. Okay, then revaluation profit is here. So we write by revaluation profit. By revaluation profit. जो हमारा revaluation का profit आता need to be distributed. तो revaluation profit आता 16,600. A will get 12,450 and we will get 4150 यानी 4150. Now here ये वो क्वेश्चन जो हम अभी तक करते हुए हैं, ऐसे हम क्वेश्चन करते थे भी. Now there are what new things. The point number E and F. Now read the point number E and F again. The capital partner will be adjusted on the basis of C's capital because C's capital is given, and the adjusted amount is to be the amount to be adjusted through current account. Okay. Now we do the calculate the part. Step 1. What I need you? Step 1. How we find the total capital of the firm? हमें total capital कैसे निकालना है? जो मैंने आपको लिखा था adjustment capital. See the step 1. The step 1 says that total capital. How we find the total capital of the firm? The total capital we find, okay, on the basis of new partner capital. Okay, so how we find total capital? The new partner capital is given 60,000. Reciprocal of this share is 4/1. Is coming 2,40,000. The 2,40,000 is coming the whole firm's capital. Me नया partner अपनी fair share में, if you see in this one, new partner admitted with 1/4 share. Let the whole firm capital is X. X का अगर हम 1/4 करें तो कितना मिलना चाहिए? 60,000. If we see the mathematical, what is X? How can you find X? So X is equal to 60,000 into 4/1. Same way we find. But हमने यहाँ पर कर दिया, जिसके पास मैथ्स नहीं है, जो मैथ्स नहीं समझ पाता, तो सिंपल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. हाउ कैन यू फाइंड टोटल कैपिटल? एंड दोज हु अंडरस्टैंड मैथ्स सिंपल है. That the total capital of the firm is X. X का 1/4 60,000 हमें गिवन है. तो how can you find X? So X is 60,000 into 4/1, which is coming 2,40,000. I hope this part is clear. We can solve with both the methods. Next is, now divide this capital 2,40,000 into new ratio. Divide this 2,40,000 into new ratio. Step 2. I also teach you when the new ratio not given, how can you find? But first thing is 2. Whatever we write the step 2. To 2,40,000 into new ratio. The new ratio हमें निकालता is 9:3:4. Okay. तो divide 9 by 16. 3 by 16. And उसका निकालने की जरूरत नहीं because it's like अगर निकाल दोगे is coming 4 by 16 is coming 60,000 only. So if we see divide 9:3:4, A's capital is coming 1,35,000. B capital is coming, divide 2,40,000 into 3 by 16 is coming 45,000, and C is coming 60,000. Now how we find this is a new capital firm? This how we find the new capital firm? I hope it's clear. Divide 2,40,000 step 2 in the new ratio. हमने इसको new ratio में निकाल दिया. Now if the new ratio is not given, suppose somebody asks you, sir हमें अगर नया ratio given नहीं है तब कैसे निकालें? हमें नया ratio निकालना नहीं चाहते हैं, हमारा time waste होगा. So how can we find? I will teach you that also. So first you need understand that how we get. So it's a new balances. We write two balances. Is a new balance, a new capital firm. A is 1,35,000, B is 45,000, and C is 60,000. Now note down this much. And then we move further. When there are not many questions arises in the boy's mind. So when हमें new ratio नहीं निकालना चाहते, हम कैसे निकालें? You know that 2,40,000 is a whole capital of the firm. Now what is this new partner share? New partner share is 60,000. Is coming 1,80,000. Now divide this 1,80,000 into old ratio, which is 3/4 and 1/4. क्योंकि हमने नए पार्टनर को उसकी कैपिटल वापस कर दी, तो अब ए एंड बी की नई कैपिटल कितनी है? 1,80,000. Now divide this 1,80,000 into new ratio. Now if you divide, you can see that 1,80,000 multiplied by 3/4. Now check it out. 1,80,000 divided by multiplied by 3 divided by 4. That's coming 1,35,000 and 41. This is another method. It's coming 1,35,000 and 45,000. Now it's advisable always find the new ratio. तब हमें, क्योंकि काफी क्वेश्चन में, इस सभी क्वेश्चन में हमें नए रेशियो गिवन होते हैं. ये तब के लिए है when the new ratio is not given, or when the new ratio is not given. We can find with the help of old partner capital. I hope you understand this thing. The question comes in the boy's mind, sir, when we do not want to find the new capital, हमारा time waste होगा, तो how can you find with the help of old capital? तो वह जो भी कैपिटल पूरी फर्म की उसमें नए पार्टनर का शेयर माइनस कर दो. 1,80,000 is a new capital of the firm. New firm means A and B, and divide this when the new ratio is not given. Divide 1,80,000 into old ratio. वही आएगा जो न्यू रेशियो में आया 1,35,000 45,000. तो नाउ वी गेट द कैपिटल 1,35,000 and 45,000. अब हमें एडजस्ट करना है स्टेप 3 जो मैंने आपको बताया था पहले. हाउ कैन स्टेप 3 दिस सेज दैट एनी बैलेंसेस डेबिट क्रेडिट डेफिशिएंसी इज ट्रांसफर्ड टू कैश अकाउंट. नाउ इस बात को समझिए आप ध्यान से. ए को कितनी कैपिटल लानी है 135, बी को कितनी लानी है 45,000, सी को चेंज नहीं है बिकॉज सी तो 60 का नया पार्टनर है. अब एज पर द एग्रीमेंट नाउ डू अ टोटल पार्ट. इफ यू सी A 1,31 is 1,35,000 here. A को 1,35,000 लाना है, but as per term इन सबको प्लस करिए. If you find this thing, add them. 1 lakh सबको ऐड की 50,000 plus 4,500 plus 7,500 plus 1,2450. Now here, if you see balances here, ये बैलेंसिंग फिगर आ रही है यहाँ पर बैलेंसिंग फिगर. मैं इसको स्टार मार्क कर रहा हूं, ध्यान रखिए. ये बैलेंसिंग फिगर जो यहां पर आ रही है कितना आ रही है. इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 1,35,000 फ्रॉम ऑल दिस इज कमिंग 60,550. 60,550. व्हाट इज बैलेंसिंग फिगर? हमने क्या पढ़ा था इस क्वेश्चन में? क्या है कि जो भी बैलेंसिंग है किसके थ्रू होगी? वी राइट करंट अकाउंट विद थ्रू करंट अकाउंट. वी राइट हियर बाय ए's करंट अकाउंट. ए को अपनी कैपिटल और लानी है स्टार ओवर हियर. अंडरस्टैंड? ए को अपनी कैपिटल लानी है. कितनी और लानी है 60,550. तो किसके थ्रू लाएगा? करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू. ये किसके थ्रू लाया? करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू. इसको फर्म को और देना है. कितना और पे करना है? ओके फर्म को पे करना है इतना और, बिकॉज ही प्रॉमिस एज पर न्यू एग्रीमेंट ही नीड टू ब्रिंग 1,35,000. वो कितनी कैपिटल लेके आएगा? 1,35,000. बट एज पर टर्म हाउ मच ही इज ब्रिंगिंग? He's bringing less, so he's need to bring how much? इसको कितना और लेके आना है? 60,550. ये फर्म के लिए एसेट है. फर्म के लिए क्या है? बिकॉज इसको फर्म को पे करना है. कि इसने प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं 135 लाऊंगा, लेकिन ये कम ला रहा है, तो उसको अपनी कैपिटल एज पर द न्यू ऑर्डर कितनी और लाना है? 60,550. 60,550. He need to bring 60,550 more. तो फर्म के लिए क्या ये एसेट है, बिकॉज इसको फर्म को पे करना है, फर्म को लेना है इससे. सिमिलरली इफ यू सी बी साइड इज 80,000 प्लस 2,500 प्लस 4,150 प्लस 1,500, तो इज कमिंग 88,150. 88,150 ये ऑलरेडी ज्यादा ला चुका है, जबकि इसको लाना कितना था 45,000. तो ये फर्म से वापस मांगेगा कि भाई एज पर न्यू एग्रीमेंट मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस कर दो. बी इज करंट अकाउंट. तो बी को कितनी कैपिटल वापस होगी? 88,150 माइनस 45,000 इज कमिंग 43,150. इज कमिंग 43,150. I hope this part is clear. This is called capital adjustment. 88,150 and this is coming 60,000. This is 60,000. Now understand this term. I hope this part is clear. तो इसको फर्म को इसने फर्म से चार्ज करना है इससे कि भाई आई हैव टू ब्रिंग 45,000 बट एक्चुअली आई एम ब्रिंगिंग 88,150. तो मुझे जो मेरी बैलेंस कैपिटल है वापस करो. तो फर्म इसको ये वापस करेगी, बी करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू वापस करेगी. तो दिस इज लायबिलिटी फॉर द फर्म. ये फर्म के लिए क्या है? लायबिलिटी है. ओके लायबिलिटीज फॉर द फर्म. ये फर्म के लिए क्या? प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. देयर लॉट मेनी स्टूडेंट्स मेक्स अ मिस्टेक इन दैट. ये फर्म से चार्ज करेगा. ओके तो ये फर्म से मांगेगा कि भाई मुझे मेरा पैसा वापस करो. अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन? बिकॉज हियर इज क्रेडिट सेलिंग मोर, तो वी कॉल इट क्रेडिट बैलेंस. हम बोलते हैं इसको क्रेडिट बैलेंस. तो क्रेडिट बैलेंस इज अ लायबिलिटी फॉर द फर्म एंड डेबिट बैलेंस इज अ एसेट फॉर द फर्म. इफ यू सी ए हैज अ डेबिट बैलेंस, ए के पास डेबिट, बिकॉज डेबिट साइड इज मोर, तो वी कॉल इट डेबिट बैलेंस. तो डेबिट साइड इज एसेट फॉर द फर्म, क्रेडिट बैलेंस इज लायबिलिटी फॉर द फर्म. आई होप दिस पार्ट इज क्लियर. नाउ लास्ट पार्ट इज वी नीड टू मेक द बैलेंस शीट. In the last part, we need to make the balance sheet. Should I rub this? Okay, you understand the small part because I writing as per the board. जो हम पे space available है. Okay, fine. Check it out. You understand each and every transaction. Now next is balance sheet. I cannot make balance sheet here, so I need to rub the board. Take a snapshot of this. Okay, now balance sheet. Balance sheet of the new firm as on 1st April. As on 1st April 2019. So we need to make the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 1st April 2019. This one is liability side. Amount is given over here. Assets and the amount. First we will do the liability side. Now check liability side one by one. Capital accounts. Okay, the new capital of the firm. So we write capital accounts, we write the new capital. Okay, A, B, and see the new capital of A is 1,35,000. That's why we call adjustment capital. B's capital is coming 45,000, and C is 60,000. No change in it. Is 60,000. Okay, then creditors is given. Creditors कितना given है क्वेश्चन में चेक करिए. Is 70,000. उसमें एडजस्टमेंट एक पार्ट दिया 1200 is not need to be paid. तो अब हमें क्रेडिटर्स को कितना पे करना है. 70,000 minus 1200 is 68,800. अब हमें क्रेडिटर्स को पे करना है 68,800. How this part is clear? One more term is clear. फर्म ने किससे पैसे वापस करने हैं. किसको पैसे. बी को. तो we write B current account because here adjustment is through current account. तो we write B current account. ये फर्म के लायबिलिटी है. I hope this part is clear. यही बैलेंस हमने निकाला था. तो बी को फर्म ने कितने पैसे वापस करने हैं. कितना प्रॉमिस किया है. 43,150 जो इसका बैलेंस आया था. We find. Now check the asset side. First is land and building. Land and building. Is there any change in the value of land and building? See the question, adjustment part. So land and building, they say in the question, were valued at 65,000. The old value is 40,000. तो land and building बढ़ गया है. पहले 40,000 था, 25,000 बढ़ा था. अब land and building की वैल्यू हो गई है 65,000. I hope this part is clear. तो land and building 65,000. Similarly, plant and machinery हमारा कम हो गया था. Plant and machinery. तो we write plant and machinery की पहले वैल्यू कितनी थी. is 70,000. ठीक है, वो 10,000 कम हो गया था. Now plant and machinery is 60,000. तो we write 60,000 in plant and machinery. I hope this part is clear. Debtors हमें debtors की वैल्यू गिवन थी 35,000. प्रोविजन हमारा कम हो गया था. We make the provision earlier. We make the provision 1,000 rupees. लेकिन प्रोविजन हमारा 400 से कम हो गया. तो we minus provision 400 rupees. Okay, that's coming 34,600. Sorry, provision हमारा 600 कम होगा. 400 कम हो गया, 600 लग गया है. तो it's coming 34,400. प्रोविजन हमारा 400 कम हुआ था. मींस अर्लियर प्रोविजन हुआ 1,000. ना प्रोविजन कितना हो गया 600. ओके, हमें 400 का बेनिफिट हुआ था. देन वी से इन्वेस्टमेंट इज हियर. नाउ वी सी इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू इज 26,000. नो चेंज. तो वी राइट इन्वेस्टमेंट 26,000. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कैश बैलेंस इज गिवन द क्वेश्चन. कैश, the balance of cash is 10,000. New partner brings. New partner कितनी कैपिटल क्या है 60,000. He cannot bring premium in cash. From that dealing cash में कितना 70,000 only. तो we write in cash 70,000. We got 10,000 cash का opening balance है. 60,000 new partner brings his share of cash, share of capital. Here the goodwill cannot bring in cash. तो goodwill जब cash में नहीं आई तो किसके थ्रू आएगी. Current account through. तो we write C's current account, which means goodwill. C's current, C को goodwill लानी है. We call it goodwill in bracket. No need to write goodwill. मैं आपको समझाने लिख रहा हूँ खाली. तो goodwill he need to bring 6,000 through his current account. नहीं, इसको लेके आना पड़ेगा ना goodwill को. तो goodwill कहाँ से लाएगा. करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू फर्म के लिए एसेट है। नाउ ए को कितना पैसा लाना था, हमने जो बैलेंस फिल करा, हमने यहाँ बी को पे किया, बी करंट अकाउंट। सिमिलरली हमें ए से भी वसूलना है, ए करंट अकाउंट, ए को कितना पैसा और लाना है टू मेक हिज कैपिटल इक्वल टू 1,35,000। तो ए नीड टू ब्रिंग 60,550, इफ आई ए नीड टू ब्रिंग 60,550, 60,550. Now check the balance sheet part, whether this matching or not. अगर आपकी बैलेंस शीट मैच करें तो हमने सब सही किया है। I hope you understand all the parts. So our balance sheet is coming 3,51,950. My liability side is coming 3,51,950. I will check the asset side. My liability side is coming 3,51,500, 51,950. Same way 3,51,950. Now I hope you understand this one. It's coming 3,51,950, both asset and liability side. Now this how we make the capital adjustment. You understand term? Land and building 65,000, plant and machinery. The value of plant and machinery is 70,000. 10,000 decrease हुआ. The new plant and machinery is 60,000. Debtors हमारे 35,000 के हैं. हमारे 400 के प्रोविजन कम हो गए थे. Means हमें 400 रुपीज मिल रहे हैं. हमारे जो प्रोविजन हमने बना के रखा था बैड डेट, वो हमने 1,000 बना के रखा था. ठीक है, हमने 400 ज्यादा बना लिया था, तो वी नीड टू रिड्यूस इट 600. तो हमारा बेटर कितने मिलने के चांसेस हैं? 34,400. इन्वेस्टमेंट नो चेंज 26,000. कैश इज 10,000 इज द ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश. न्यू पार्टनर ब्रिंग्स हिज शेयर ऑफ कैपिटल इन कैश, वी कॉल 60,000. इट मेक्स कैश बैलेंस 70,000. सी करंट अकाउंट, सी को जो गुडविल लेके आनी है, बिकॉज ही नॉट ब्रिंगिंग गुडविल इन कैश, तो उसको गुडविल लानी पड़ेगी. Now through current account there is an asset for the firm because firm को उससे वसूलना है. How much? 6,000 share of goodwill. Similarly, A need to maintain his capital 1,35,000. कितनी कमी पड़ी थी? A need to bring 60,550 more. हमने capital account में बनाया था, तो A को कितना लाना है? 60,550. This makes your asset side. Capital account of new partner A is 135, B 45,000, C 60,000 is already given the question. I hope this part is clear. Next is creditors is given. The old value of creditors 70,000 minus 1,200, because 1,200 we need no need to pay is mentioned in the question. The point number D, liability of 1,200 including syndicator was not likely to rise. हमारे जो क्रेडिटर है उसमें 1,200 हमें अब राइज नहीं होंगे, हमें पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो मीन्स क्रेडिटर 68,800 and the B, because B already being sufficient amount of capital, he need to bring 45,000. तो उसे कितना पैसा वापस होगा? 40,150. That's the liability for the firm. I hope you understand. This is the way when the new partner capital is given. This is the first statement we have done. आज हमने किया है जब हमें नई पार्टनर की कैपिटल गिवन है. Is it clear? तो we also say that adjustment of capital on the basis of new partner capital. इस टर्म को बोलते हैं when the new partner capital is given. इस टर्म को बोलते हैं adjustment of capital on the basis of new partner capital. In my second video, we will practice more and more question, and we will do the next part when the adjustment of capital on the basis of old partner capital, or we simply say that when the new partner capital is not given, जब हमें नई partner capital given नहीं होती. Is it clear guys? Now please practice more and more question. ठीक है, and stay tuned. Have a nice day guys.